Hello everyone, in this video we'll go through the miscellaneous settings section, which allows you to, from here you can manage general directory options. In general settings you can set for example, how many top tags to display, for example showing the top 10 tags, or 20 or 50, it's up to you. Under badge settings you can choose to display a built with DirectoryEasy badge. It can appear as a fixed floating badge that is always visible, or in the footer only. If you are an affiliate, of course, you can also add your affiliate link to earn commissions whenever users click the badge and subscribe for a lifetime plan to DirectoryEasy. What else? The directory features section. This section lets you control which features are available to your visitors. You can, for example, enable sorting tabs so users can sort listings by trending, popular or new. You can activate the location filter to let users search by location and distance, and choose the distance unit that suits your audience, such as we basically have only two. We have miles and kilometers. You can also enable favorites, allowing users to save listings they like and reviews, so visitors can write and read feedbacks on listings. That's it. So when you are done adjusting these options, just click Save Settings to apply the changes. The listing settings section lets you control how listings are displayed, submitted and verified on your directory. You can set the number of listings per page, for example to 50 or 20 or 100. It's up to you. Under submission listings, you can choose who can submit listings, and we've already seen that in a previous video. You can let anyone without signing up, or add in new listings, or only registered members who can do that. You can also require membership to view listings beyond the preview limits. You can also, for example, set the number of listings that are shown to visitors. For example, if you set 10, visitors will only see this number of listings before they are required to sign up before viewing the rest. In the Add New Listing section, you can enable a website pre-fill step that asks for a URL to automatically fill in the title and short description, and this is very useful to fill in the information quickly. You can also enable AI content generation to help users create detailed description when either AI credits are available, or you are attaching your own API keys to our platform, so that we rely on them when generating the content. What else? We have links SEO. Choose whether listing links are do follow or no follow by default. And this is important for your directory SEO. And I recommend to choose the no follow by default, and maybe you only grant the follow link for users who pay for some subscription plan, and that's another way to monetize your directory. What else we have here? Under featured listings, you can show them in a slider at the top of the page or within the main list. You can also set custom headings for featured listings and blog posts, such as featured listings or featured articles. And finally, the listing verification system that allows users to prove ownership of their listings through one of or more methods, depending on which one you choose. We have the email domain verification, which works by matching email domain with the website, and another method which is business email verification, which works by matching member email with the business email. And finally, the website code verification that can work by adding a verification code to the website. So that way the user prove ownership of his website. You can also choose whether to allow unverified listings to remain visible or restrict visibility to verified ones only. And yeah, I think that's it. When finished, just click Save Settings to apply your changes. And that covers it for this video. See you soon in another one. Bye bye.